Chapelle dropped us off at this station in Paris. And we started things off by taking a cab ride to our hotel. We saw quite a few sights along the way, including the Louvre. Hotel de Continent. This is our cute little hotel suite that was very Parisian. It was quaint, and out the window you got a wonderful view of just a little streetway and my mom out the window. Now we're walking out of the room and going down this beautiful spiral staircase. A chandelier in the lobby and a cute little courtyard, plus a delicious breakfast. Chapelle, home of some of the most beautiful stained glass in the world. I learned that there is a bottom portion to Saint Chapelle. I was scared and kind of disappointed because this is what I saw, despite it being gloriously beautiful. But apparently you actually walk upstairs to see the rest. So let's go up the stairs. Oh my gosh. Adjacent to this chapel of relics is the city courthouse. Out the gates and across the street, we went for lunch at a cute little corner Parisian cafe. I decided to get escargot.
No, let's hand it. Not a good choice. That's good.
Yummy. Mom made me take a picture with the waiter. Now behind a pile of fries you're about to see is a sausage called the Andouillette sausage, I think. That has a story of its own. Some people call it the sausage of death, and my dad accidentally ordered it. I'll link it below so that you can understand how nasty it is. Then we walked to Notre Dame. It was kind of hard to see because it was under construction after the fires, and they wouldn't let you anywhere near the building much. But it was spectacular to see the building while it's under construction and repair, because this is a historical event to see the cathedral after it has caught fire. It was a shame not to go inside or to be able to walk in front of it, but I got some good, interesting footage of construction workers, and it was still just lovely to see in general. the Parisian Parthenon and my first glimpse of the Eiffel Tower. We were on a walk to try and see the Catacombs, but we saw a lot of interesting sights on the way there, and we did end up at the Catacombs, but the line was too long for the time span we had, so we left. But we stood over Catacombs, you know.
You have events inside, you have fashion weeks. The Liberty statue?
Oh,
It's the same.
oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
The Arc de Triomphe. So you walk under a bridge to get under the Arc de Triomphe since there's cars all surrounding it. And we actually got to go up it. This beautiful, very long spiral staircase. And then once you get up that, you come into like the midsection of the top. And then you go up more stairs.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
I'm scared. Wow.
Awesome.
Here comes a crash. I'll zoom in. Not a happy driver. Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. Elysees. I don't know how to say it. And on our way to Eiffel Tower, I had a duck leg. And then we approached the Eiffel Tower to visit the very top of it. Here you can see a little yellow elevator. It was amazing just to look at from underneath. And you enter through a leg to go up the first elevator, Monte.
I was very impressed.
We were fortunate to visit at sunset. Then up another elevator.
I might scream and that's gonna be okay. We're fine. Willy Wonka.
You're at the door.
Yeah, that's great. Okay. My legs are just shaking. That's all. Where do I walk?
Interesting right here.
Notre Dame. The Parthenon. It was interesting to learn that there are rats surrounding the Eiffel Tower. Very romantic. One was right behind me. Luckily, I guess it didn't touch me. But the next day, we went to visit the Louvre. Musée du Louve. Unfortunately for us, the workers of the Louvre were on strike, so we were not able to use our ticket to go inside. This is the pavilion that you enter under to redeem your ticket and get in line for the pre-ticketed line. And under it you actually can see through a window into the Louvre, so I did get to see a little bit of the Louvre. I just love the mixture of the newness of the pyramids with the old buildings behind. Obsessed with the doors in Paris. There's so many beautiful ones and they're so gigantic. So I made my parents take a picture of me with the doors. A lot. This puppy was so cute. Look at his little tail. To end things out, we had to go to a pastry shop and get some macarons or macaroons, whichever you say. These were amazing. And it was a very fancy little macaroon shop where you get a beautiful little box with your macaroons. Very much worth it. we bid adieu to you and you and you, and train right away.